Hello everyone, welcome to my video on classical dances. So we'll be discussing about the various forms of classical dances out here. So what are classical dances? Unique folk dances, classical dances are all about technicalities and strict rules. Acharya Nandikeshwara, Abhinaya Darpan and Sharangdev Sangeet Ratnakar along with Natya Shastra forms the foundations of all the technicalities of the dance classical forms, which includes the movements of the body, rasa, bhava, etc. So first we'll talk about Bharatanatyam, one of the most popular form of classical dances in South. Bhava means emotions, rag means musical notes, ta means tal, the rhythm, as well as natyam, the Sanskrit word for drama. When we talk about the makeup which is used for the dance of Bharatanatyam, immense and charismatic makeup, the eye-catching costume and glowing ornaments. The music and the instruments which are used to perform this dance, we have Carnatic vocalist called Nattu Vanar. Verses are usually in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Sanskrit. Mridangam, Nandvasaram, Nattuvangam, flute, violin, veena, etc. Next we'll talk about Kathak, the graceful dance of North India origin, Katha. So Katha is the one who tells stories, is Kathakar or Kathak. As we know, Natwari Nritya. Kathak is one of the most charming dance forms of India. The themes of Kathak revolve around stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Krishna. Apart from this, Kathak encompasses presentations on manifold subjects. Rasleela of Braj is quite akin to Kathak, a solo dance form, but group compositions are there on different themes with perfect synchronization steals the heart of people. Next, when we talk about the costume, makeups and ornaments used, traditionally sari, ghagra choli, churidar frock, jacket, dupatta for women, and men can wear churidar kurta dupatta tied to the waist. This dance drama may have costumes as far as the character. Makeup is not that much heavy, but is quite sharp and fine to reflect the expressions. The music and instruments which are being used to perform this dance. Hindustani music, instruments like pakhwaj, tabla, sarangi, sitar, harmonium, flute, sarod, etc. are being used. Next is Odissi, one of the most special classical dance form of Odisha. The long established dance form in the serene surroundings of Sri Jagannath temple in Odisha is famous as Odissi. It has its mention in the oldest Sanskrit type Natya Shastra as Odra Mangti. In ancient days, this dance form filled with bhakti ras and was a part of worship to God at Jagannath temples. Thus, we find many sculptures in dance position inside the temple. Next is Kuchipudi. So Kuchipudi is another most famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. The Kuchipudi was originated from the place named Kuchipudi in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh around 3rd BC. BCE Kuchipudi dance form is a long established dance drama style. Tirth Narayana Yati and his disciple Siddhendra Yogi organized and founded the modern version of Kuchipudi as we see today. Kuchipudi gradually developed as a solo dance form, and today we can see both male and female performing it. Kuchipudi are themselves related to Vaishnavism, Lord Krishna, Rukmini, Satyabhama and other myths. Kuchipudi also holds certain specialities of Bharatanatyam and Odissi as well. Then we have Kathakali. Kathakali, the word Kathakali itself, it introduces what? Katha, meaning story. So it has got different forms of stories involved in this classical dance of Kathakali. Dazzling Kathakali classical form dance of Kerala, Katha, meaning story or tell, performance and art. It has got its roots in Asian Kutiyattam, that is classical Sanskrit dance drama, and Krishnattam, dance drama depicting stories of Hindu god Krishna. Movements in Kathakali are influenced by ancient martial arts and athletic tradition. It is basically a dance drama. Kathakali was traditionally a male-dominated dance, and now females too are welcome to perform this beautiful dance. Kathakali is also famous for its huge elaborate costumes, amazing makeup, face mask as well as beautiful intricate ornaments. Next is Mohiniyattam. Another graceful classical dance form of Kerala is Mohiniyattam. Is Lasya-inspired dance with soft, calm and gentle movements, characterized as feminine, usually done by women. The word Mohini is related to the charming women avatar of Lord Vishnu to end the evil powers. Mohiniyattam also connotes beautiful dancing women. The graceful and most beautiful Mohiniyattam is mesmerizing. The text Hashta Lakhanshadipa is followed for hands and gestures and facial expressions that has an elaborate description of the various mudras. Next we have Manipuri, the most popular classical dance form of Manipur. It's also known as Jogai. It was traditionally performed as a dance drama on devotional songs. Manipuri showcases the love between Radha Krishna through Ras Leela. Manipuri is a combination of two cultures, Indian and Southeast Asian. The Manipuri dance form is categorized as Tandav or Lasya. Next we have Satriya. Satriya is a traditional dance drama of Assam. Satriya was recognized in 2000 as classical dance by Sangeet Natak Academy. It is influenced by Vaishnavism, and the modern dance form of Satriya is attributed to the 15th century Bhakti movement scholar and saint Srimanta Shankardev. Since 15th century, Satya grew as a part of Vaishnav Bhakti movement in Hindu monasteries called Satra. Satras are the dance community halls of monastery temples, and today it is very popular. Next we have Chau dance. Chau dance is a blend of folk, tribal and martial arts. Chau is also derived as a Sanskrit word of chaya, meaning shadow, image or mask. Also, Chau is defined as Sitakanta Mahapatra, to be derived from Chauni, that is a military camp in Oriya language, traditionally performed by males in male troops. The Chau has different types of originating from 3 different regions. Each type has its own unique feature, pattern and style of performing and ornamentation. So I hope in today's video you have got to know a lot regarding the classical dance. I hope you are able to understand and able to know the various forms and types of dances, be it traditional or be it classical. Thank you so much for your attention to my video. Thank you so much.